Okay, and we are now back with the sounds of Juja. They are a band, a musical band, to talk to us about their newest album, which is actually their debut album. It is the first album by the sounds of Juja. They have told me their names, lakini najua nikisema niziseme nitachanganyikiwa. So I'll just allow you to introduce yourselves personally. Tukianza na nakumbuka yako, Joseph.
What's up, guys? I go by the name Joseph Flows. I represent Sounds of Juja.
Alrighty, next.
Yo, ni Ajeni. Mimi naitwa Makutesa. Nafaa kuwa mnanijua saizi, but kama mnijui, we forgive you for today. Naitwa Makutesa.
Alright.
Mimi 1 out of 5 of SJ. Mimi naitwa Nyasore, and that's what's up. Sounds of Juja to the world.
SJ.
Iko na sign. Ama tu
Vile tu utafiri.
Nimeonyeshwa bro. Yes, exactly. Alafu Joseph Loss ulikosa memo ya hiyo kofia. Mbona wewe umevaa kofia iko different?
Oda yangu haikufika.
Haikufika yako?
Maana.
So yangu hata iwezifika. Alright, so Sounds of Juja, you are a group of 5. Mko watano, sio? So tell me how you came to be. Sounds of Juja ilianza vipi, mlipatana wapi? One of you can tell us.
Tulipatana around 2018. Tulikuwa students JKUAT. So alafu along the lines of friends, kila mtu alikuwa anapiga usanii individually. So tukadecide tunaweza kama as a group ndio tukonquer music industry together juu many minds are better than one.
That's true. Yeah. Your journey imekuaje from the time you guys decided to form the group? Makutesa.
Imekuwa tu smooth juu kwanza tulikuwa friends before tuanze usanii. So tulikuwa tunajua how to relate with each other. So vile tulianza vibe ilijipa tu.
Inspiration yenu ni up, who are you guys listening to? Ama you know hata mkiform the group, nani mlikuwa mnaangalia? Is there a particular group maybe or a particular person?
Mimi naweza sema me myself, me mwenyewe naji-inspire, but there's some people I look up to, but they're not Kenyan. So old school rap, Tupac, and alafu Kenyan locally, maybe let's say Calligraph.
Okay. Hii look ya Makutesa inanipatia uko fulani.
Hip hop hivi.
Yeah. Is it where the inspiration
natoka kwa hip hop usually ile 1990s hivi ndo alikuwa anapiga luku. Sasa hivyo ndo ikakuwa.
Alright, so Joseph Loss, mko na album mpya. It's your first album as a group together. Inaitwa 777.
Yes.
Ama sijui kama bado mtu anaweza ita 777.
Vile tu utafiri.
Okay. So tell me about 777. Your album, first of all, your jina. Mbona mliamua hiyo ndo jina ya album?
777.
Joseph Loss kwani ya bro. Joseph Loss ni jibu.
Mimi ndo nimesainiwa juzi.
Okay. Sawa. Alright. Makutesa.
So 777 is an angel number, inamaanisha you are on the right path na milango zinafunguka, so muendelee tu hivyo. So tukitoa hii album, it was to signify that tumeleta a new mafans wata vibe nayo na we are on the right path, so that's the name of the album.
Love it. So Joseph Loss, umeniambia you're a new signee. Wewe umekuwa signed to the group just recently. Tell me about your kukuwa signed, ulikuwa signed when and how?
Kwanza ilianza na ma freestyle. Nilianza kumeet nao kwa sababu pia walikuwa mabeshte wangu. So kia mabeats na freestyle hapo nao tunapata vibes pamoja. So nikaongea na Makutesa, akaniambia by the way inaweza kuwa kitu join. Alafu kitu kingine pia mimi usample ma beats. So tukipatana nao most of the time nilikuwa na ma beats moja zenye naweza weka, wanazisikiza, tuna freestyle pamoja hivyo. So hivyo ndo group wakanisign.
So like SOJ is not yet complete. You're open to sign other people. Mkisikia mseni mnoma, you're open to bring someone else on board?
As for now, we are complete. We are not like looking for other people due age. knowledge alafu adding other extra people wenye hatuna hiyo dynamic nao juu unajua si ni mabeshte so we relate on a lot of things so msemo mwenye tu relate na yake come anaweza rubi hiyo dynamic so as per now we are complete.
Okay, so to 777, it has 20 tracks.
Yes.
You know, it's an album with many songs. So it has 20 tracks, and in the tracks, you've only done 2 collabos. You know, hizo zingine ni nyinyi peke yenu. Tell me about that. Was that intentional, that you wanted people to just get to hear of SOJ as SOJ first before you doing many collaborations?
Yes, it was intentional. We had planned on doing like 5 collabos, but available on time, so we decided to settle on 2. And we give people like a space to listen to us. Before the release of the album, we had not released songs for like 6 months. So what all commissioned wamuuliza, when are you releasing songs? But we decided to give people a taste of SOJ and how versatile we are. In the album tumepiga what is out of our niche. Normally si upiga drill, but in the album to experiment on all types of beats.
Yeah, yeah. And you've done the album within a span of a year. You took an entire year to compile the entire album, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how was that for you? And the fact that you decided to try, so there's drill in there, there's hip hop, there's another genre nimesikia mnaita Afro swing. Which one is that actually? So there's Afro swing. You've done several genres. So talk to me about that and why you decided, okay, it's for you to be seen as versatile artist, that you can jump on any beat, and how is that working for you?
When we started as drill. So akatujua ka drill musicians, but it was much bigger than that. Juu tukifreestyle, tuna freestyle in any beat. Sando tukamua kwa hii album, acha tuwapatie some versatility, waone SOJ wanaweza wakilisha kwa kila beat. Sasa hivyo ndo tukashoot Afro swing, hip hop na some drill vibes hapo hivyo. That's how it came to be.
Yeah. How was that experience for you, Josie? Josie Flows. I'm sorry. Yeah, so how was that experience for you?
It was amazing. First of all, because we were going out of our stretch, we were exploring other beats. So it was a new thing for us. It was a new movement, and yes, it came.
Muligetaje kupick what song to be on the album? Because I know as artists, mnafanyanga ngoma mara mob, like you record so many songs ziko too. So how did you boil down to the 20? What were you looking at mkichagua hizo 20?
Before the album, we had released EP. It had 7 songs. So the EP predominantly zinayan tumekuomoka. Like the album was named SOJ to the world, so we were yearning like sound yetu ifike maybe to the world. So for 777, we were picking songs that attract emotions, like not just songs, ngoma but you're feeling something inside it. So if you listen to the songs, there are songs that make sense. There are songs that you can listen to with anyone and atakwambia lyricism iko hapo ndani si mbaya. Yeah. So our album mainly, Year 777, was an album based on emotions, like where we want to be.
Okay. And working as a group, how do you settle on the songwriting? In the group who does the songwriting, or all of you just get into the writing of the song?
Yeah.
Collectively, kila mtu akona role yake. So Josie alisema yo sample beats. So anyone can come up with a beat, but Josie mainly is the one who comes up with a beat. So when he samples a beat, he sends we do individual writing. Kila mtu kando. We agree on the bars, maybe 16 bars, 8 bars. Then we meet, practice, alafu we record. So it's not hard to write a song. Alafu sahi vitu ni digital, so meeting is not hard. Zoom, nini, kupatana si ngumu.
Yeah, si lazima mpatane. Yeah. Okay. So now as a group, like, where are you seeing yourselves? And have you looked at the, you know, normally groups tunaonanga zoo come pamoja, and then they work for several years. Sometimes they break. Sometimes they decide to take a break by themselves and then get back together. Is that something you've thought about, or it's not anywhere in your thoughts?
Okay, sahi I won't say like we won't break up or people won't venture to like other heights juu. Already everybody mwenye ako hapa, we have the same goal. Si wote we want greener pastures. So if somebody gets chance ya kufly na he can go, hatuwezi clip wings zake. So we just give him the space. Home, you're grounded to SOJ. That's all that matters.
All right, as we wind up, nataka tuongelele Index Finger very fast, which you have released the video. Josie, do you mind talking to us about Index Finger?
Index Finger, I'm not in the song, but it's a great song. Maybe Makutesa can highlight more.
Index Finger, we decided to introduce a new genre, the Afro swing vibe, and see how. And luckily enough, they liked it and waka vibe to the song. Yeah, so that's the reason why I decided to start Index Finger as the first song in the album.
Okay.
Yes.
You can tell people where to find the song as you perform it.
The song is on every streaming platform at Sounds of Juja. Kila mahali ukisearch Sounds of Juja SOJ, utatupata hapo hivyo.
We'll get to listen to SOJ's Index Finger right now, and then we come back and wind up on the show. Unique?